Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the Google keyboard to the colors to the image. You can just select landscape images to the keyboard on your Google keyboard easily on your mobile phone by using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the keyboard theme image on your Google keyboard or Gboard. So first of all, if you don't have the Google keyboard, just download it from the Play Store. So now I just going to open anything in the keyboard. So now we just need to click on this theme section. You can see this is the theme section. Just click this, and now you will see this is the theme center. You just swipe down to the bottom. You can see an option called landscape. So just click this, and it should have an internet to download this image. You just click this. You can see you can just download a lot of images from the internet, and you can just use this. So there is a lot of collection of themes set here. You can just download everything. Just clicking on the image, you can just download it from the Play Store. So here it's actually downloaded from the internet. So we just click this which theme that you just needed. Just click on the image that you just need. Just click and just view it, and you can just change this into the icons, or you don't want icons, just cancel it. And this is how you just change the theme color of the keyboard. So let's just click on the apply option. Now you can see now it's applied and it's look great. So this is how you just change the image of your keyboard on your Google keyboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.